How to buy WOOLLY mouse token. So this token came under the symbol of WOOLLY. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, so before going on about this token, make sure to go and engage with your community, as you can see on X. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 days ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. And this token trending number 13 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, open your function wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here to select the provider as a Jupiter, for example, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy WOOLLY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.